Hey guys, Doberman Rancho. So here with a update on how we're doing, getting close to harvest. Fruit starting to get the right color, still growing. Been working at it, cleaning up. Got plenty of fruit. Getting some pretty good size. This is what happens from the hail damage. Still having some issues there. Leaves took a beating. Other than that, everything's looking good. Just waiting on the market to be right. Have some pretty good size. Getting the right color. Some more hail damage. Yeah guys, so getting pretty close to harvest. Got a good production going. So been watering, fertilizing, adding the right ingredients, getting everything right. So I'll keep you guys posted. Still waiting on the market to be right and the fruit to be ready, so we get after it. Yeah guys, thanks for watching.